Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 2 of our 3-night sailing to the Bahamas and the beautiful Disney Wish. We are here in Nassau and port. We're not getting off. I think probably 85% of the ship is not getting off based on all the groups that I've been in. Well, the main group and then all of the WhatsApp groups. We're gonna go ahead and go get some breakfast in Marceline Market, and then the boys want to do some slides, so I hope we're gonna do that. I hope he can do that a lot because my son is on the spectrum and he likes to do them over and over and over again. I think just as much as any other kid, but maybe just a little bit more. And yesterday we thought maybe when it was the first dining it was going to be a lot easier and the wait time was going to be less, but no. The wait time was crazy, so he only got to do it I think twice. So hopefully we'll do that today. But the weather looks fairly decent. I think it's drizzling a little bit, but the skies look pretty clear. But like I said, we're not getting off. Aiden only wanted to get off just to take a picture, so if he decides to do that later on, we'll go ahead and do that. But otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and have some breakfast right now, enjoy the pools, enjoy this, and then see where this beautiful day takes us. There's going to be the Little Mermaid show today, so I definitely want to see that. I don't know, there's just always so much to do and so much to see. We got so many fish extender gifts last night. There's bags and bags and bags of it. I'm gonna probably make a video and show you guys everything that we received. We still have one more gift to deliver, which we'll do right now. Then the rest of the gifts that we have are just pixie dusting gifts, so we're gonna go ahead and drop that off probably later on in the day. So anyways, I am starving. Let's go and get some food. All right, it's big guy's breakfast. I got some smoked salmon and I got this, just missing my tea. Oh, these are cucumbers for my child. He loves cucumbers. All right, we're back in the room. We got our bandanas. Our room host cleaned up our room, put everything back in order. Got the bandanas for Pirate Night tonight. There's going to be fireworks, and Disney Cruise is the only cruise line, I think they said, in the world that does fireworks while you're at sea. So that's pretty cool. We've never experienced it. I know in Alaska they're not allowed, and I'm not sure if we experienced them in Canada when we went up to New England and Canada, which was a couple of years ago. I feel like we didn't. I could be wrong, I don't know. But anyways, breakfast was delicious. Was busy, was definitely busy. We couldn't find a table inside, so we got a table outside. Then the boys went to do the aqua, is it aqua duck or aqua mouse?
Aqua mouse.
Aqua mouse. Listen, that ride is a bleep show, because yesterday I think they went on it only twice within like an hour and a half, which was crazy. And today we wanted to get there as fast as possible, as early as possible, so this guy over here can ride it at least a few times. The line was very long and it's very hard for him to wait in line, and I feel like this is where Disney lacks, I should say where Disney Cruise Line lacks any sort of accommodation for kids and adults who have special needs or who have a hard time waiting in line. Any kind of accommodation would be great, like what they offer in the Disney parks, but they don't offer anything like that on the cruise. So they went once on the Aqua Mouse, and then once it broke and the line just kept getting longer and longer. I think they were gone for like, again, an hour and a half, and they essentially only rode it once. Then we went on the other side to the yellow slide, and I think probably within maybe 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, they rode it twice. Now we're back in the room. Aiden's gonna go freshen up, I'm gonna go freshen up, and we're gonna see what we can do on the ship. I did book at some point Royal Gathering, but because the slides were taking a long time and I knew that the slides are more important to him, I ended up canceling it. So hopefully somebody who really wanted it to go got that opportunity. And that's about it. So I think I mentioned we have Pirate Night. There's gonna be fireworks. Really excited. I'm really starting to see that though we had a full vacation in Disney World before we got here, but a 3-night 4-day cruise is really quick. Yesterday was like pure chaos. It's a lot of people did not get off the ship. You could see it. There's a lot of people on the ship. We have Carnival and we have another cruise on the other side, so I don't think we're gonna be getting off at all. So anyways, we'll catch you guys in a little bit of our lights. I thought they were gonna be a little bit longer. I'm gonna have to get another pair for next time. I'm pretty sure all of these are from one vendor on Etsy, so I can have that shop linked for you guys below. I'm not affiliated with them, just like their quality of their door magnets. And it looks like the boys got some fish extenders and pixie dusting, so I'm gonna take it in for them. Who's gonna win? Me.
It's my old side.
Alright, we got our drinks. I don't even know what I ordered. Something but two. And Aiden ordered something that is allergy friendly. And Andreas got a cup of ice because that's all he likes. Alright, let's have a drink.
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good. Yeah.
It looks good. What does it taste like?
I don't even know. It's like close to ginger ale.
Oh yeah?
But like off. I'm not sure.
Mine definitely has lychee. Or lychee. I call it lychee.
Straw.
Yeah. Are looking for, I think it's called Fairy Tale Laundry. I want to see where it is because we do need to do laundry, so we're gonna go find it and then we're gonna go do it. Found the laundry area. Wow, it's so big. There's lots of space here, huh? Wow. Okay, let's go get our laundry and then we're gonna come back. In the room, we're gonna actually go into some laundry, and while we're doing laundry, on our way there back, we got a whole bag of pixie dusting gifts we're gonna drop off. There's about 20 of them here, plus a bunch of stickers. We did have more, but we did give out to some kids when we were walking around, and I think maybe we dropped off about 5 yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then later on we're gonna go to bingo. I think the jackpot today is like $5,000, so we're gonna go ahead and have some fun there. But right now, laundry and pixie dusting on the agenda. Okay, I think those are washers. Yes, washers are on the bottom, the smaller ones, and then those other dryers. Here's our little snack. I absolutely love this place. I can eat here all day, every meal. And my kid is gonna have 2 orders of fries and some ice.
Welcome to bingo. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Axel. Everybody say hi, Axel. Hi, Axel. And I'm all the way from Mexico. So you
Just hanging out here on a balcony It was such a beautiful sunset, and now there are so many storms out in the ocean. In the back where Atlantis is, in the front, a lot of weather system, but still the ocean is so beautiful, so calm. So in case anyone is curious, that is deck 11. We're in deck 10. I'm gonna leave that noise up. Listen, at nighttime I didn't hear anything, but right now hanging out on the balcony, that's how much noise I hear. In case you're curious. Anyways, we went to Hyperspace Lounge earlier, which was so fun. I'll put the drinks we had somewhere over here. It was delicious. Mine had lychee, I call it lychee. It was so good. And we did bingo. We didn't win, but it was so fun. It was a $5,000 jackpot, and we had more snacks and food, and then we went to see the Little Mermaid show. It was so beautiful. I wish they gave you like the program, because the girl who played upstairs, the girl who played Ariel, her voice was incredible. I think she made the whole show like incredible, but everything was so beautiful. That was lighting, the dancers, all the characters, it was so lovely. So we had popcorn, I had a glass of wine. The boys enjoyed. It was a little bit hard for my little guy Andrew, but we probably left maybe just like 2 minutes before it was over. Now we're just hanging out in the room. I was just watching the sunset. It was so beautiful. Dining, dinner. We have our dinner at 8:15. We're going to, I don't have my phone because it was hijacked by my kid. Is it Marvel? One of those. Yeah, so that's where we're going tonight, so I'm excited to see that. But yeah, everything's just been so beautiful. I do want to stop by the gift shops today to pick up a few things that I need for my mom, maybe for us. Other than that, I'm not ready for this cruise to be over. And I know we still have a whole day tomorrow, but I'm not ready. I love it. Okay, all the way down, sweetheart. All the way down. Hello.
By Penn Tech, shrinking problems and growing solutions. So be prepared to be astonished as the presentation will begin shortly. Thank you.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Andrew, you gotta push the button. Push the button, baby. Is it time? Not yet?
Like this? I made this. It's a song.
Push the button.
Pretty sweet, right? Oh.
It's our whole animal.
Oh.
Use that water so I can sorry about that. Still awesome. You look at the work, man. Thank you. Oh, what are you doing? You know, we don't have a secret handshake.
All right, just got back to the room. I'm not sure who this is. Help me out in the comments below. But we got some extra chocolates, pirate coins. That's nice. And unfortunately, we got these envelopes. Dome. From dinner, it was so good, delicious, had some amazing food. I'm red like a tomato. I think I'm just tired, and I had a glass or two of wine. And I think the pirate party is starting in like 15-20 minutes, and the fireworks, but my little guy has no interest in that. So I think we're just gonna stay back, let him relax, and I don't know. We're not gonna see it from here because we have the roof. Oh, did you see that lightning? Yeah, so we definitely, I don't even know what side it's on. We're in port side, I think. I'm still learning. But because we have this roof above us from deck 11, so I don't think we're gonna see anything, but that's okay. That's okay. I'd rather have my kid calm, cool, and have him relax in the room. I'm actually gonna cut the video today. If we end up watching the fireworks or any of the pirate show, I will include it after this. But if not, this is the conclusion to our day 2. Tomorrow we're going to be at the private island, so I'm so excited. It's going to be our first time there. So much to do, so much to see. I'm so excited. Fingers crossed for good weather. They haven't said anything, so I'm assuming the weather's gonna be good. So I'm definitely excited. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.